Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the smart battery case for your iPhone XR, XS, and XS Max. Now all of these cases you can get from Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. The price on these, $120. Now they're available in two colors, black or white. Now each of these cases feature pass-through charging. So that means you could charge the case by itself or put the phone in the case and charge them both together. Now they also feature wireless charge. So you can wirelessly charge your case or put the phone in the case and wirelessly charge them both together. Now these are smart cases. So that means you don't have to change any settings. You don't have to play with anything. Plug and play status. Once you plug them in, they're iOS integrated. You're going to get your battery charge widget. You're good to go. Now with the iPhone XR, you're going to get an extra 39 hours of talk time, 22 hours of internet, and 27 hours of video. With the iPhone XS, you're going to get 33 hours of talk time, 21 hours of internet, and 25 hours extra video. And with the iPhone XS Max, you get an extra 37 hours of talk time, 20 hours of internet, 25 hours of video. So that's pretty good. All right, so let's check these out. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes.
White shoes.
I love my white shoes.
Calm down. All right, let's start with the iPhone XR. Now here's your presentation. Standard Apple status. Nice white box. Giggity. Let's see what you get inside. Now, of course, I'm doing this the hard way. Let's see. I should have just pulled the tab. Rah. Okay, there it is. Okay, so inside, let's see what you get. All right, so you get your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. And that's pretty much it. Here's your case. Silicone status on this one. On the inside, look at this. Nice felt material. Let me do the smell test on this. Smells like velvet. All right, shoot, scoot, scoot. Nice velvet style interior. There's your lightning adapter and a little LED. On the back, Apple logo. There's your cutout. Buttons, cutouts. On the bottom, here's your two speaker grills. And this is your lightning adapter charging port. Now let me just make sure this is lightning and not USB Type-C. Let's see. Okay, got a lightning adapter right here. Just plugged it in. Let's see, is this cable plugged in? Plug this in. All right, there it is. So there's your little charge LED. Now let's see if we can wirelessly charge this case. Let me grab a little charger. Okay, we got the Zizzo. Slap this on. There's your red light. Actually, your orange light. Blue lights on the charger. It's charged up. Let's grab the iPhone XR. Now let's see on the top. Flexible hinge. You can't even see it. Big battery on the back. To slap this in, all you got to do, grab your phone. Slide it right in. Pop the corners on. And if you notice, since this is a smart battery case, I got that widget just popped up. Let me open this up real quick and show you what that widget looks like. All right, so if you notice, here's a smart battery case on 0% and the iPhone on 100%. Now let's hit the charger. Let's get right in the middle. Wireless charge on deck. See it charging up. Now I will say this. The case does add a little bit of extra weight. Silicone status, so no fingerprints on deck. Let's check the power buttons. All right, there's your buttons. Let's see how easy it is to hit your vibrate on and off. No problems with that. And like I said, you got wireless charge. And one thing I like is now you notice you got two battery widgets on the top. Let me do that again. Smart battery icons. Let's see, anything else? Little razivity on this. This ain't really a protective case, it's more of a battery case. Now it adds a little bit of extra thickness, but not much. For all that extra battery, I'm not going to complain. All right, so let's take it over to the iPhone XS. All right, now let's do this right this time. Okay. And I still did it wrong. Okay, there it is. Nice and easy. No beast mode necessary. Now you don't get any cables with this. Let me just make sure I didn't miss anything. Nope. No charging cables. Plug them and file them. Self-explanatory. Let me grab the iPhone XS. Okay, now let's see. Slide this in. Slap it right on. Now this case should be dead, but we'll add a little juice to it. Yeah, battery case is dead, but it does work. Nice weight on this. And of course, let's take it over to the XS Max, the big boy. Okay. Now we'll check and see how hard it is to take these cases off. All right, this one I'm gonna try to flick of the wrist. Pluck it, flick of the wrist. You seen that follow through? Let's grab the iPhone XS Max, big boy. Let's see, slide it right in. So let's hit the juice. I know this one has 0%. Okay, one thing about Apple, they don't send the cases with any juice. 0% went to 1, just like that. Now to take these off, just gonna pop the top off and slide this right out. Just like that. Now look, if you don't like this case because it's too big or bulky, you don't have to wear it all day. You use your regular case during the day. Once your battery starts to drain, or you get somewhere where you need extra battery, you pop off your little silicone case, slap this one right on. Less than 5 seconds to put it on. And again, since it's iOS integrated, you don't have to go to settings, you don't have to change anything, no fancy LEDs to tell you how much battery you got left. All you got to do is look at your battery widgets. Smart battery case, and there's your battery. Your iPhone and smart battery case. Now let's see, for the wireless charge, I noticed that the case kind of has to be in the middle. Let's try that again. Yep, there it is, right in the middle. Overall, for 120 bucks, I know you could get the Zero Lemon or you could get a bunch of cheaper ones, but they're not gonna look this nice. This is actually not bad of a looking case. In the looks department, this one ain't bad. Let me get a little wipe down on this. Shout out to White Shoes, got cat hairs all over the place. A little wipe down. This was gonna look like pretty stealthy. Got your Apple logo. Like I said, minimum razivity. Speakers on the bottom. Matter of fact, let's check that. Let's make sure these speakers work. Let me take my phone off airplane mode real quick. All right, so let's take it over to a video. Sounds exactly the same to me. Let's cover up the bottom speaker. Still got your top speaker on deck.
All right, so I gotta be honest with y'all. That was my first time.
No problems with that.
My last time was so.
All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the smart battery cases a major go. Are these worth 120 bucks? And the answer is yes. The build quality is A1 excellent. The look is nice and sleek with that minimalistic style. Doesn't add too much extra weight. Soft silicone back, no fingerprints. Smooth velvet interior. I like that. You get pass-through charging, so if you don't want to, you never got to take the phone out of the case. Charge them up together. You get wireless charge. All right, so if you got a nice clean desktop setup, no wires on deck, wirelessly charge the case and the phone or both together. Now, it does feature fast charge if you use the big boy charger. Since this is a smart case, I love that you get the lock screen status and the battery widget. No going to settings, no looking at LEDs. Everything is right on deck. Now, it does have intelligent charge, so when your phone is at 100, the case is not going to just keep charging. It'll automatically shut off and top your battery off as needed. If you're a heavy user, you need to check this one out. Now, if you're not a heavy user, save some money, get the Zero Lemon one. But if it was me and my money, quality over quantity, go with the Apple Smart Battery cases. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, Close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise. Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Bose Sleep Buds.